Alright guys, today we're going to be replacing a screen on an RCA Voyager 2. As you can tell, the model number is RCT 6773W22B. I believe a Voyager 1 has everything the same except it doesn't have the B. First thing you want to do is go ahead and remove the screws from along the sides. I believe there's two more. I kind of sped this up just because I get bored. But remove all the screws and then take a pry tool. I use a Sesamo tool. You can get them on eBay or Amazon fairly cheap. But you can also use a screwdriver, something to pry it with, and take off the back cover. Once you take off the back cover, most important thing is disconnect that battery. We don't want any power going through there. And then slide down here and disconnect the digitizer. If you're not sure where the digitizer is, you can always look on your screen replacement and kind of line them up. Now we're going to go ahead and start prying off the front housing, the digitizer on the front. It's got some glue that goes around the sides, but it's really not that bad. This pulls right off. And then you're going to want to clean the housing the best you can, just to make sure that you get enough of that adhesive off, so when you put the new digitizer on, that it sticks down really well. And main thing you want to do is just line up the video camera on the front, and once that's square, start pushing down on your adhesive, make sure that's all good, flip it over on this side, and we can go ahead and connect our digitizer back. Once your digitizer is connected and locked, we can then go ahead and connect our battery. Once we connect our battery, you're basically set. You can turn the tablet over. On this one, I went ahead and put the back on first because I couldn't touch the power button without putting this on. And when I powered this guy up, it's dead. So I had to put it on the charger and charge it. But this was a fairly easy repair, I believe. Like I said, I did speed this up. Feel free to pause it if you would like, but this is a pretty straightforward tablet repair. The LCD was fine. The only thing that damaged on this one was the digitizer. The digitizer cost about $15, so it wasn't bad at all. I'll try to leave a link in the description where I got mine from, but everything worked just fine. I didn't have issues whatsoever. I forgot that I was recording and forgot to record with the screen working, but it did work. If you have any questions, please comment below, but thanks for watching.